I guess they will never sponsor me now.
Tacos dorados made with empty tortillas were sold in the cooperativa of my elementary school in Mexico. They were crunchy, saucy, and dangerously addictive. Perfect fuel for a kid who walked 3 miles uphill both ways. Or at least, that's what I remember. Put some broth for Acapulco-style tacos dorados. If you want a taco kit, this video is not for you. Bye. At home, my jefecita made tacos dorados with chicken inside. Once a week after school, she'd be waiting for me with a plate of freshly made tacos dorados. As we do in Mexico, we honor the chicken by surrounding it with aromatics. For this we add garlic, onion, coriander, a whisper of black pepper, and a fist of salt. The name of this chicken was Coles. It says so in the package. Then burn yourself and let the chicken cool down before you shred it. Save the broth, we're gonna need it for Acapulco style tacos. Ay, mamacita, pimienta, vas a hacer que me queme. Chulada. Cold tortillas are stubborn. They crack, they fight you, they refuse to roll. But give them heat, let the steam kiss them for a moment, and suddenly they soften, ready to become tacos dorados. Once the chicken is shredded, not that shredded, this shredded. Okay, once the chicken is shredded, rolling the tacos commences with suspiciously practiced precision. My jefita will make dozens of these. My unexpected cousin will drop by right at lunchtime. But this is any Mexican household. If there is food for 4, there is food for 6. Not only mi casa es su casa, my food is your food. For frying, I use canola oil. Its smoke point is higher than most. Aye! But keep the heat at medium. Too hot and your tacos pick up a bitter undertone, and nobody wants that. To fool ourselves into believing that this is the healthiest meal, we chop some garnish for the toppings. We chop radish, onion, lettuce, and prepare some smashed avocado. Funny thing, avocado is always included in the meal in Mexico. There is no extra cost. We're almost done. I dare you to stay until the end of this video. Squeeze in some lime, not just for flavor. It's basically sunscreen for your smashed avocado. Just like every wedding has a celebrant, every taco has a salsa ready to say, I do. Here, the bows are sealed by boiling a green pepper with a jalapeno, and then blending them with onion and coriander, and a little bit of salt, consummating these tacos dorados in fiery union. Here is the bride. With the taco fully loaded in my hand, I take a bite, and that crunch will turn into a feeling that still follows me today. A feeling that brings back my mom's tired hands. Hands that time slowly turn into a wrinkled papyrus. As an adult, I hold them against my face and kiss them, because the man I am, I owe to her. In her presence and in the memories we continue to share, I find solace, and for that, I'm forever grateful. Where was I? I'm not crying, you are crying. Go and subscribe and cheer up. Them onions. Don't let family traditions disappear. Puchito,